I just had a call with a very unique business, and I actually really like the idea of this business, and I hope it takes off. This business is just starting out. Essentially, what it is, it's a laundry service that comes, picks up your clothes, and then delivers that clothes back to you when it's done being washed. Now, immediately, I thought right away, well, this must be for senior citizens, maybe old age homes would be the target audience for this business, but it's not. The target audience is really students. It's those busy students that are in university, that are busy studying and have no time to do their own laundry. Probably have no time to go down to the local laundromat to do it themselves. So why not have somebody come over and pick up that laundry, get it done for them, and return it? Well, this specific business has multiple audiences, but they approached me asking for a marketing plan and essentially what direction to move forward. And for this specific business, my suggestion is to lean into Meta and social media advertising. And let me dive in. So the business is called Regal Wash and Fold. Now the website is nothing spectacular. It's very simple. I actually like how clean it is. It's a subscription-based business, meaning that they are getting recurring revenue each and every month from doing this service, which is pretty cool. Now, if you take a look at, let's just have a look at the plans and pricing. I really like the setup of this business. You got student plan is $150 a month, family plan $350, and I believe that is a month. I've in here, subscribe now and save. So it's a subscription. Okay, you will get 1 month of laundry service once a week. We will pick up your laundry and deliver it within 1 to 2 business days. You will be charged monthly for the service and receive 10% off for being a recurring customer. What a cool business model. Now, the reason why I selected Meta to promote this business is because this business is very unique. I don't anticipate too many searches for people looking for a laundry pickup service in my area. It's just not something, especially students, would even think about doing. It is a novel business, not a whole ton of competition, if any, out there. I guess the biggest competition would be your local laundromat. So with that being said, I do not believe that Google ads or SEO is the immediate play. I think SEO is inevitable for this business, but starting out with a smaller budget, you just want to make a splash doing some ads, specifically engagement ads on social to get people talking about the business. Once people start talking about the business, sharing it with friends, you get a few customers in the door. I anticipate a business like this is going to snowball pretty quickly. But really what it takes is that initial engagement. And the reason why I select engagement ads is because you can reach a whole ton of people at a very low cost. And when you can reach a lot of people at a low cost, you can get lots of likes, shares, and comments, which builds up that social proof for the business. That would be a great first start. And you can do that with a very small budget. You can create an engagement campaign for like $10 a day and just hit a very local area, which is this business specifically. They're targeting an area just outside of Toronto. Again, you don't want to be driving too far to deliver laundry. So you're really honing in on just a handful of postal codes. So with that, what I would do is do some door knockers. Yes, I'm saying it. Do some print advertising. Why not? Get some flyers and door knockers, put them in some select postal codes in the area, and then target those people with some Meta ads, specifically in those postal codes. We know at the end of the day, what you want to do is get in front of that audience as many times as possible. So if somebody comes home from work and they see a door knocker for Regal Wash and Fold, probably going to maybe go on the dining room table, probably end up in the trash can. But then if you hit that same person up with an ad at 11 o'clock at night when they're scrolling through their Facebook feed, lying beside their wife or their girlfriend or boyfriend or husband, there's a good chance it might stir up a conversation. And that's what we're trying to do. And that kind of situation can happen by increasing the frequency of people seeing your business. And because this is a unique business, people don't know to search for it yet. You have to educate people. And this is a fantastic opportunity for Regal Wash and Fold to educate their audience on the product. And I'm just spitballing here, but you can come up with some pretty funny ideas around a campaign for this. For example, other things you'd rather be doing than doing your laundry, right? There's so many different things a student would rather be doing than doing their laundry. How about giving away a pair of tickets to a Post Malone concert? Just a pair of tickets. I mean, maybe not the best example because Post Malone tickets are at least $500 a pop, but you get what I'm saying. A couple tickets to Post Malone. And if you like and share this post, what a great contest, right? Especially for this. Wouldn't you rather be enjoying a Post Malone concert than doing your laundry? You can do so many different things. I'm just giving you one idea. You can use sports tickets. You can use anything that people would rather spend their time doing than doing their laundry. So for that reason, I really like this business. The website itself could definitely be a little more robust in terms of building out blog pages, building out more content. But again, that's part of the SEO strategy that I think comes later on when you're able to expand the budget past just a meta ads program. Now, I say meta because Meta has the biggest population of people. 3.2 billion users are on that platform, so it's definitely one we want to pay attention to. TikTok ads could be an option later on as well. But I definitely want to lean into Facebook, Instagram as a primary platform for this business to help get the business off the ground. If you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you again soon.